When Pilate therefore heard that saying, he brought Jesus out and sat down in the judgment seat, in a place that is called the Pavement, which in Hebrew Gabbatha. Now it was the preparation day of the Passover, and about the 6th hour he said to the Jews, Behold, your king. But he cried out, Away with him, crucify him. Pilate said to them, Shall I crucify your king? The chief priests answered, We have no king but Caesar. Then he delivered him to them to be crucified. So they took Jesus and led him away. And he was bearing his cross. He went out to the place called the place of the skull, which is in Hebrew Golgotha, and where they crucified him between two thieves, one on either side, and Jesus in the center. Now Pilate wrote the title, put on the cross, and the writing was, Jesus of Nazareth, the King of the Jews. And many of the Jews read this title, the